As you know, Earth is called blue planet. You can see the whole globe is almost blue, only few colors are there, and that colors are continents, and almost whole planet is blue. Because it is most of the part is covered with ocean, covered with water, and this 71% of the earth is covered with water and 29% only land area. So hydrosphere, what is hydrosphere? This whole water area is called hydrosphere. Total, that 71% water which is covered on the earth's surface, that is called, this portion is called hydrosphere. As running water in oceans, rivers, lakes, all these, even glacier also, that is including this hydrosphere. Now, more than 97% of the earth water is found in oceans, which is too salty that we cannot use for because it is so salty, so we cannot use, human cannot use, even no animals also cannot use, only fish can survive, other animals not. A large proportion of rest of the water is in the form of ice sheets and glaciers, or under the groundwater. That is very small percent is available as fresh water. Means we are using the fresh water, that is using for human. So as we are going to discuss about the oceans now. So that is the most largest ocean, that is Pacific Ocean. You can see on this 2D flat, means flat map, you can see here is one Pacific Ocean, here is one Pacific Ocean. No, if it is round surface, then that is one Pacific Ocean, and Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. And here the deepest, it's spread over 1/3 of the earth's surface. Means if the total hydrosphere we are counting whole, then 1/3 of the 1/3 of the earth's surface, total earth's surface, 1/3 position covered with Pacific Ocean. And here one that is about very important, that is called Marina Trench. That is the most deepest portion in Pacific Ocean. Marina Trench, it is very important. The deepest part of the earth lies in the Pacific Ocean. Means Asia, Australia, North and South Australia surround. Means surround the Pacific Ocean. You can see North America, South America, and here Asia, Australia, because here is Pacific Ocean, here also. Means one Pacific Ocean. If it is round surface, fair surface, then it is one Pacific Ocean, and surround the Pacific Ocean, this side North America, South America, this side Asia and Australia. Now next comes this Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean divides this America and that Europe, Africa, you can see, and here it is S-shaped formed. Means under the ocean the mountains are there, and which peaks, if we connect all the peaks, then one S-shaped form. So it is flanked by the North and South Americas on the western side, and this S-shape divided these two land area. You can see which land area: North America, South America, and Europe and Africa. So that is the most busiest route here for the trade, for the business. You know, Columbus found this route, found America at first, went from Europe, from Portugal, Columbus was a Portuguese, and when he started to go to India, because he put his compass wrong way, so that's why he reached straight to the island of Caribbean Sea, island of North America, and later on he reached in coastal area of North America, and he only invented, at first he only invented this America. So in Atlantic Ocean, the coastal line is, so you can see it is not plain area, it is not plain area, so it is a very, this type of coastal line, it is very good for harbor, for port, so ship can go inside the land, and it is very good kind of port, harbor can be formed because of this type of coastal line. Both side there the ship is can go inside the land area like that. So because irregular coastal line, that's why harbor and this port formed very easily. And now next, third position, Indian Ocean, south of India, that is Indian Ocean. All of you know the shape of the ocean is almost triangular. In the north, Asia is there, and in the west, Africa, and east it is Australia, position of Indian Ocean. Now at last, Southern Ocean, or you can say previously it is known as Antarctic Ocean. So now it is called Southern Ocean. All the south of the oceans, it is combined as Southern Ocean. Okay, 60° south latitude it extends till. Okay, now the Arctic Ocean, the smallest one, the Arctic Ocean, completely to the North Pole, towards the North Pole it is situated. So it is connected with Pacific Ocean by a narrow stretch of shallow water known as Bering Strait, with North Arctic Ocean. So that is called Bering Strait, and it is bounded by northern coast of America and Eurasia. So the coastal of Eurasia and America is on the in Arctic Ocean is bounded by this coastal land. So that is all about hydrosphere. Now next, atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Above the Earth's surface, means this is, if we are saying this is the globe, so above the Earth's surface means on the surface of the Earth there is one layer of air is surrounded on the surface of the Earth. This layer is called atmosphere, and in this atmosphere so many types of air available: nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, and other gases also. So the atmosphere extends up to a height of, means from Earth's surface it is 16,000 kilometer. This area is called atmosphere. Okay, this area is called atmosphere, and these layers starting from Earth's surface to that area called troposphere. You can see in this picture very nicely, you can understand, from the surface of the Earth the atmosphere extends up to a height of about 1600 kilometers. The atmosphere is divided into 5 layers based on composition, temperature, and other properties. This layer starting from the Earth's surface, to troposphere, first layer, then stratosphere, then mesosphere, and then thermosphere, and then exosphere. So this is the 5 layers atmosphere divided into these 5 layers. And in this atmosphere, nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, and other gases like carbon dioxide, argon, and other comprises 1% only. So you understand the essential things. Now I request all of you that you study nicely and read these things, then you will understand rest of the things. And if you like the video, like it, share it, subscribe. EduLocus Mind. Thank you. Wait for next video.